Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by aligning two squares, right sides facing you. Use a yarn tail of 4/6 in. Hold seams evenly so edges match and insert your needle at the first corner to lock stitches. Work a chosen join. If you use whip stitch, pick up corresponding loops. If slip stitch, insert hook through both centers. Once one edge is joined, make sure to keep tension consistent. Uneven pulls will warp the fabric, so adjust immediately and continue along the first seam. You now turn strips into a larger fabric. Lay multiple joined strips side by side and align seams precisely. Begin seaming at one edge and work toward the center so intersections meet. When you hit a crossing point, pause and ensure the corner stitches line up. If tension changes, take out a few stitches and redo them. This keeps rows flat. Once done with each strip seam, weave tails securely into the back to lock intersections and prevent gaps. You finish by adding an edge that stabilizes and hides joins. Pick a border that complements the squares and work evenly around the perimeter. Take time to weave each tail over at least 1 inch so nothing slips out later. If you see gaps where joins meet, don't panic. Restitch that seam or work a narrow edging round to cover inconsistencies. Finally, block the piece gently so squares flatten, and check one last time for loose threads before calling it complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.